There are less than 10 commercial banks in Botswana, all garnering to be lead players in a market comprising less than 3 million people. This means that each bank is under immense pressure to come up with products and solutions that are geared towards endearing prospective clients to open an account with them. That means simply having a one-size-fits-all approach to banking no longer works, as each individual customer, or at least a certain category clientele, would want specific products tailored to their needs. These may be students who would need a bank account to receive their allowance into, swipe away and wait for another month with such benefits as free withdrawals and maybe no deposit fees on their accounts. There may be a middle-income young professional who would need certain benefits from their account, such as discounts on certain services at participating outlets. Others may be people who travel across the world frequently for various reasons, whether for work or leisure, but need the convenience to transact in foreign lands without a hassle. According to Statista, as of January 2021, Botswana registered a rate of bank account ownership at 51% of the population aged 15 years and older. That means that 51% of almost 1.5 million people are spread across these commercial banks. What value proposition are commercial banks then bringing to their customers in an effort to either retain or attract new clients to them, especially now when competition is rife, to offer solutions that are both cost-effective and convenient? Michelle France Mabileza, who's head premium at one of the local banks, is here to talk to us about some of their products that aim to make transacting and banking in foreign lands easier and possibly more affordable for clients. What value proposition products are there that are aimed at making international transactions easier and possibly more affordable for clients?
In the private clients space, we have enhanced our credit card. The credit card that the customers had, which was the black credit card, has now been enhanced to a Visa signature credit card. This gives you a luxury travel experience where you are able to book in more lounges, you're able to get more lounge access, where we have over 1,000 lounges for customers to access as they travel. We also have extended multi-travel insurance, which is worth over $1 million. It helps customers in terms of their medical emergencies, while they're on their journeys, just any risk really associated with travel that could require insurance. We also do offer discounts. There is hotels that they can access through agoda.com. They can access luxury visa collection also through the Visa card. You get these at a discount, and there's also concierge services where they're able to actually get people that guide them in their journey, that pick them up at the airport and so forth. So it's really easy for customers to access these. Most of the offers are actually free and others are offered at a discount. All they need to do is book their flight using the Visa credit card and ensure that they do sign up to their insurance before they travel. So that's what we have in the private clients space. In the premier space, I think together with private, we also do have a foreign currency account, which now we have extended a brand new debit card, which comes in foreign currency. That debit card allows you to then currency hedge earlier, where you then are able to be in control of how much you save before you actually get to travel. And this is at a time when the rate favors you in terms of if you're doing your ZAR account or your US dollar or your GBP or your euro. You're actually able to be in control of when you transfer or when you sell or buy your currency into your foreign currency account before you travel. As you travel, you will be able to have in your pocket a foreign currency debit card that will then allow you to transfer to transact on straight currency. So in terms of straight currencies, when you'll be traveling to the US, you should be able to just pull out your US dollar debit card and transact in US dollar.
Michelle, I don't know if in your last statement you answered this next question, but I want you to walk us through how having a foreign currency account could make it more affordable for your clients to transact from when they have traveled internationally.
The foreign currency account allows you to plan well in time. If you are to travel probably in the next year or two, or have a student who will be going to study abroad, you are in a position to actually start saving well in time. This is through obviously monitoring of the daily exchange rate and saving as and when you have a little extra to save on. As you travel, you will now have access to an FCA debit card, meaning that if you have a South African Rand account, you will be able to have access to a South African Rand debit card. If you carry US dollar, you'd be able to have a US dollar debit card. If you have a GBP, the pound, you will be able to have a pound debit card, meaning that you would be able to then transact direct on currency, where if you are in the States, you'll be able to then transact from your dollar account directly into that dollar currency. This will definitely save you from exchange rates at that point in time, because there will be changes that would have happened in the year or two that you would have been saving.
Let us close our conversation by understanding who qualifies to have a foreign currency account and/or a signature card.
To get a Visa Signature credit card, you have to be a premium customer. This is a premier and private client offering. So you have to open an FCA account in your preferred currency, of course, and you will be given your debit card of choice.